USA, pressure washer perfection.
Hey guys, Mike with Kranzle, USA, pressure washer perfection. Today, we're going to take a look at a little issue that can sometimes happen with your electric pressure washer that has a total stop feature. It's called short cycling. It seems like the machine, when it's on but in the off mode because of the total stop, will turn on for a minute and then turn off and then turn back on and then turn back off. And this usually happens in an interval of 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 2 minutes, what have you. But it's the on-off when it's in the total stop off mode. Now, it seems like it's just happening because who knows why? Well, we know why. What's happening is there's a small leak somewhere. And that total stop function is monitoring the pressure of the pump. And if that pressure drops, the total stop kicks on, repressurizes the pump head, and then turns off. The slow leak keeps going, goes down, on, off, leak, on, off, you get it. So the problem is there's a small leak somewhere in your system. Let's take a look at this case study, find out where the leak is and fix it, and then you'll be able to do the same thing for your own machine if you ever run into this problem. All right, let's take a look at the video.
Okay, watch that unloader. See how it's pushing out, and then there'll be, there it is. That's the short cycle sound. So what we want to do is we want to check all our connections, the nozzle, the gun jet, the water into the gun jet, no leaks here. So let's loop back around. There's some water down there, but where's that coming from? It's not coming from the hose connection. But hey, see that air bubble that just went by in the chemical injector line? That shouldn't be happening. The machine's off. There should be no movement in there, and there shouldn't actually be any water in there at the moment. So that's probably where our issue is. Let's take a look. Yep, look at that. The water, even though we're in the off mode, is dripping out of the chemical injector. So what that means is we probably have a little piece of debris in there that's caused it to get stuck open a little bit. And yep, we took off the hose and you can see it's dripping. And that's what's causing the short cycling. So just take it off. Let the water drain, clear it out. And then those are the three parts. You put the ball bearing in, you put the spring in. Notice there's different widths on the spring. You put the narrow in first, rinse out the port, retighten the injector barb, and you're good to go. So put the hose back on, turn the machine on, spray, doesn't turn back on. That's how you fix it, guys.
All right, there you go. Not that difficult to track down where the problem was and fix it. Now, you're totally able to do this yourself. However, if you want a dealer to take a look at it, we have them nationwide, and if you're near us in Maryland, you can bring it by our shop and we'll take a look at it. If you have additional questions, leave your comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'm Mike with Kranzle USA, Pressure Washer Perfection.